the king of Iron Fist Tournament, Paul Phoenix.
Paul Phoenix, the self-proclaimed toughest fighter in the universe. Paul entered the previous tournament to go head-to-head with Kazuya Mishima. But he had to get through someone first. Not Kuma again. Kuma was tough. Paul got careless for one instant, and Kuma floored him. It's time to start all over again, says Paul. 2 months later, Paul is ready for the King of Iron Fist Tournament 5. I am the toughest fighter in the universe, screams Paul.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Here we go.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Get the cameras ready, folks. This ain't gonna last long.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Nothing like a good workout.
Get ready for the next battle.
What the? You again? I'm gonna prove I'm the toughest in the universe. I don't give a crap about anything else. Shut your bear trap! I'm gonna be the toughest in the universe.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, baby, yeah! I finally mopped the floor with your bear hide! No one can stop me from becoming the toughest in the universe!
Get ready for the next battle.
Come on, baby. Show me what you got.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You lose. Round 2. Fight. You win. Final round. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Gotcha!
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Gotcha!
Get ready for the next battle.
わしの目的は全ての破壊。貴様ら人間どもが平和を謳歌していた間、わしはここに捕らえられてじっと復活の時を伺っておったのだ。長い気の遠くなるような長い時間をわしはひたすら耐えた。ただじっと耐え抜いたのだ。そしてその時間はそのまま貴様らへの憎悪となって今このわしと共にある
Either way,
の
I'll
だ。
be the toughest on Earth as soon as I kick your ass, right? 10 seconds! 10 seconds! And I'll be number 1!
Round 1. Fight.
Go! 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 I'm the best there is on Earth. Watch out, universe, cause here I come!
Now, how the hell am I supposed to get to outer space?
Yeah! Anytime, any place, bring it on, you alien!